Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make 3 refreshing mojito cocktails like a pro. The first one will be the refreshing classic mojito. The second one will be the fruity strawberry mojito. And the last one will be the beautiful blue mojito. I hope you will like these recipes. So let's go and jump in. Take 3 tall glasses of about 400 milliliters or 14 ounces of capacity. If you like these recipes, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Put 4 to 6 pieces of fresh lemon moons into each of the glass. After the lemon, put 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. The classic mojito was created in Cuba, and slowly it becomes the most popular cocktail in the world. Now pour 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces of white rum. If you want to make the best mojito, use any light-bodied white rum of your choice. I hope you are enjoying these recipes. After the white rum, pour 60 milliliters or 2 ounces of simple syrup into the first glass for the classic mojito, and 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounces into the next 2 glasses for the flavored one. I am doing so because later on I have to adjust it with the same amount of flavored syrup. Now slowly muddle for 8 to 10 times to extract juice and flavor from the solid. Don't over muddle, as lemon can release bitterness to the cocktail. I will be happy if you make these cocktails at home, and share your experience with your friends. Now pour 15 milliliters or half an ounce of strawberry syrup for the strawberry mojito. And pour the same amount of blue curacao into the next glass for the blue mojito. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now fill all the glasses with fresh ice cubes. Today I am not using crushed ice, as it melts quickly, and decreases the life of the cocktail. Now top up all the mojito with chilled soda. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now slowly stir the cocktail to mix all the ingredients. And the classic mojito cocktail is ready for you. Do the same thing for the next cocktail. And the refreshing strawberry mojito is ready for you. Now the blue mojito cocktail is also ready for you. So let's start garnishing these cocktails. Use a fresh lemon wheel and a mint sprig to garnish all the mojito. And if you have strawberry, use a slice of it to garnish the strawberry mojito. Now you can join me for exclusive mixology tips, exciting wallpapers, and early access to my videos. So check it out. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. You are watching Spice Trail. Cheers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, keep watching.